Overhead crane safety training. An overhead crane is a simple yet powerful tool that makes lifting and transporting heavy goods in a warehouse, manufacturing, or predictable worksite environment much faster and more efficient. This machine is versatile and can be adapted to many industries and worksite contexts, making it an essential piece of machinery for many. These machines are excellent for unloading, loading, lifting, and carrying, particularly in an assembly line or other repetitive environment. You can be sure that if your worksite has an overhead crane, it's essential to operations, so you need to be aware of how it operates and the dangers it presents. Whether you are operating the crane itself, helping to load or unload it, or simply a bystander working close by, a good understanding of what an overhead crane is, how it operates, and what can go wrong if its power is not respected is essential for the safety of everyone on site. This course is split into 2 parts, overhead crane and rigging. This part of the course gives a basic description of what you need to know to maintain a safe work environment when an overhead crane is present and in operation. Hazards can arise at any point in the crane operation process. By the end of this part of the course, participants should be able to recognize the different types of overhead cranes and their proper uses, understand the importance of pre-work inspections and regular crane maintenance, understand the importance of proper and up-to-date training, perform pre-work inspections, know what component breakdown hazards to look for and how to prevent them, maintain a safe overhead crane environment on a worksite, and communicate effectively using universal signals. Overhead cranes are an essential piece of machinery for many industries where regular lifting and load transportation from points A to B is a common occurrence. They have been used for this purpose for a little over 175 years. It's worth your time to make sure you know how to act appropriately around overhead cranes. If you're responsible for their operation, a working knowledge of their components, and what dangers and equipment repair needs you should be watching for is essential for everyone's safety. Let's begin.